So let's look at some vocab in context. Let's read these 5 sentences and notice the vocabulary words in the context of each sentence. Earthquakes occur without warning. Notice the synonym. Earthquakes happen without warning. My friend has no concept of time. My friend has no idea of time. The construction caused major traffic problems. Now, here's where our synonym might not work perfectly. What's our synonym for major? We've said important. Well, maybe that's not the only synonym. What could be another synonym for major? Another synonym for major would be big. The construction caused big traffic problems. There is a distinction between healthy and unhealthy foods. There is a difference between healthy and unhealthy foods. My past experience was a key factor that helped me get the job. My past experience was a key reason that helped me get the job. So, how are we going to figure out the missing word? When you come to a sentence with a missing word, you could guess, but better, why not use your clues? So we just practiced synonym clues with the vocab. Let's do the same here. I went home early because I had a headache. It might sound okay to say, I went home early because I had a occur headache. It actually doesn't sound right. But let's look at the meaning. I had a happen headache doesn't make sense. I went home early because I had a concept headache. Had an idea headache? Doesn't make sense. I went home early because I had a major headache. Probably correct, right? Not important, but big headache. But we always have to check all choices to be sure. I went home early because I had a distinction headache. A difference headache? Doesn't make sense. I went home early because I had a factor headache. A reason headache does not make sense. So we are 100% sure our answer is what? Major. What kind of headache? A major headache. So what we're doing is we're getting ready for, we used to call it homework, now we're going to call it online work. What is the missing vocab word and how do you know? I have a problem understanding many in math. So let's think about this. We could try synonyms again. Understanding many occur in math, happen in math, doesn't make sense. Understanding many concepts in math, ideas in math. That sounds correct to me. Concepts are ideas, and I know math has many different ideas, and I personally think those ideas are challenging, difficult to understand. How about you? I have a problem understanding many concepts in math. Well, that makes sense. Let's think about grammar. Concept. Is it a noun, verb, or adjective? It's a noun. Many concepts, many things. That works in this sentence. The synonym works. Concepts are ideas. And the grammar works because we need something that goes after many. And remember how grammar can help us. Are we answering who or what? Do we have clues of articles, a and the, plurals, s endings, numbers, or how much? Let's look at our example again. I have a problem understanding many concepts. We're looking at an amount, how much or how many. If we wanted to know if it was a verb, we could ask, can you do this? Is this an action? Can it be past, present, future infinitive? Then we know it's something you can do. Or does it describe someone or something? Then it's an adjective. So I'd like you to use synonyms and grammar clues to test each of the following sentences. I will put these sentences in Schoology in an assessment. I'm going to change a few words, but the sentences will be almost the same. Your job is to identify the correct vocab word for each context. Use your synonyms and grammar clues to be sure you're correct.